He's not having a good day. Alright boys and girls, we're back with the new video. You can see my Christmas hat, Santa Claus hat. We got the antlers up on the S10. I'll show you later in the video. But since it is snowing, we're just gonna go we're
gonna go play in the snow.
We're gonna drive around safely in the snow.
Yeah, in Mexico.
In Mexico. Because they told us that Mexico has a lot of wind chill and snow dropping right now. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm on film duty, my friends. Woo, let's get it.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Oh, he got the Jason masks in there. How much you pay for this hood?
500, but it came.
All right, let me buy it for like 300. You got a light on your phone so you can see it? Oh, these are icy, bro.
Type R. Type R.
Yeah, I need a light so you can see it. The Hasport mounts.
Yes, sir. Passport mounts. And I got the full K-Tune swap kit, but add a couple things here and there. Feel real.
Is nice.
Couple fuel lines.
Mishimoto half-size radiator.
Yep.
Does it stay cool?
Oh yeah, stays under temp.
Bruh.
It's still on. It's just on a normal base. It's not crazy. Anything crazy yet. It's only like pushing 230.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's healthy, running healthy, and it's fun. Turbo's sitting right here.
Well, that's off your D series, bro.
Yep. It'll work.
Ashton, what you gotta say about this?
Bro, this thing is for what it is, bro, it's fast.
Yeah.
It's very fast.
You want to pop this side of the door so I can see your shifter? Real K-Tune shifter, right?
Of course. Everything's real.
Oh, we got the leather seats. You got that light so I can see it. The diamonds glistening off it.
Cheap. Yes, sir.
This guy didn't cut corners.
Nah, we just bought corners.
Like that steering wheel.
I still gotta cut out the doors.
No.
I got Lexan.
Bruh, you actually put holes in it.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Check this out. I got Lexan sitting over here.
For what?
Rear hatch window.
No way.
Rear hatch. Hold
This
that.
thing's gonna be gutted, boy.
Hold that. And then I got two side hatch windows to still install.
So you're gonna light.
Oh yeah. we're gonna be able to lift up the rear end. Just a couple of guys, even with my Bondo.
4-banger, K-tune.
Something I noticed, a lot of guys at the track.
Let me get a good.
A lot of guys at the strips. Their Civics are beat to dust,
Yeah.
and they just cut off rust. Like they're not trying to make anything pretty, and they just throw wrap on it, just like I did on this. But I mean,
Dude, I threw wrap on mine too.
I did decently good body work though. I mean, this thing's straighter than an arrow. Took me a whole winter.
Just the front of it.
The roof alone took me like a week. So I wanted.
What color is this?
This is satin black,
Yeah, satin is the way to go. Mine's satin red.
rich. It's very
Yeah.
rich color.
Yeah.
Matt's more of a last resort.
Yeah.
Got a Camaro or some stuff.
Talk about these tires and
Triple 8Rs, they do okay. It's still front wheel drive and it's still running on like 230, like I said. So nothing special.
these are Ankies, right?
Huh?
Ankies?
Proxies.
No, the wheels.
Oh yeah. Enki RPF ones.
Oh, and you got skunk 2 coilovers? Same ones.
They're poopy. They are poopy.
They're poopy.
Very bad.
Mine are 10 years old, but
These are like the same. I got these with the car.
yeah, I got mine with the car too.
You're
I
shot.
think back in the day they were.
Oh, they were mint. They were mint.
but you can definitely feel all the, you know.
Very playful. I mean, I got the.
I think BC or yeah, cut out the hatch.
Jeez.
I still gotta cut this out. I'm just gonna get rid of all this. This next summer, I'm gonna cut up here. Stop
This
right
boy
here.
trying to go racing.
Yep. I'm gonna have the whole
That is
tire.
crazy.
Tire's not gonna be exposed, but the whole tire cover will be. So this will just be a tire cover, and there'll be nothing attached to it.
This is crazy.
I'll probably be coming to you, either you or Homeboy out in White Bear Lake for a cage. Possibly a 6-point. If I'm going faster.
I'm good at welding, but I'm not good at bending.
Oh, I'd already get pre-bet.
Okay.
We'd just be putting in and welding.
We can figure it out how we could like bolt it in.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Bolted in. Ooh.
You know, so you can
Bolted in,
always
bolted
you
in
can bolt
and,
it into the
and then weld
frame
it in,
rails.
and then get it welded in.
Oh yeah, you can do that too.
So what's this right here?
That once again came with the car.
That'll be a sick GoPro mount right here.
Oh yeah.
One facing the rear, one facing the front.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick.
Right now I'm looking just for more weight reduction. I'm not really looking for power. I'll look for power for next year. Next year, the plan is to either go turbo or all-wheel drive and then turbo. But
Oh, if you're going all-wheel drive, you need to have different exhaust manifolds.
exhaust manifold,
Yeah, one that sticks out the hood or something like that.
I need to relocate my my shifter cables. I need a new transmission.
Yeah.
I need all that. But I mean, that just plays part of going all-wheel drive, though. You know, just like if you were to go
Bro,
turbo.
but front wheel drive is also best thing.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Spinning ain't winning, but
If you're spinning and you ain't got nothing in the rear, you're winning.
that's true.
Today, we had a little bit of fun in the snow.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Made a few clips, did all that. We don't really have much going on today because, as you can see, it is snowing here in Mexico City. So,
Yeah.
and it's getting dark too.
Yeah,
so,
it's getting dark.
yeah. So, I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. But hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you have a blessed day.
And a holiday.
Oh yeah, and it's the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah,
New Year's.
New Year's, all that.
All that
Kwanzaa,
stuff.
can't forget Kwanzaa.
Yeah.
All that.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And that's it. It's a wrap.